There's so much going on today. There's like 2 Cars and Coffees, there's the Gearhead Society show, there's a drift event, there's so much more. We're heading to the Utah Cars and Coffee today, this morning, and then we're gonna head over to the drift event. So, got a couple right-hand drives on the highway right now, just cruising down. On your birthday! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
already loaded up back there. We're headed out to UMC for the drift day, which I'm so nervous about. Oh my god. I don't know why. I just get really nervous with shit like this. So it'll be a good day though. It is now dumping. I think there's like 2 or 3 hours left, but my hair is like, I don't know what it's doing. Today was so fun. All right, I didn't get videos of my first 2 laps, and then I got some videos of me driving and then of Mark driving.
Mark helped me a lot today with both fixing the car, because when I showed up, it didn't want to start. So fixed the car, got some things tightened up, and then he gave me a lot of pointers for out driving. So that was a lot of fun. I was able to connect a couple of the corners, which was awesome. But I couldn't get the last turn by the start line. I think, looking back at a video that one of my friends got, I think I was just cutting in too soon. And so then I kept going too wide by the start line. But overall, great day. It was a lot of fun, and I can't wait till my next event, but it won't be for 2 months, because the next event is Bros Before Pros. And they're doing it on the kart track, so I'm pretty sure you have to have a roll cage. So my next event will be in 2 months, which will give me time to get tires, which are now showing quartz. Okay.